CRS Channel!
Good morning everyone. May hotpot ako.
You're flaunting your stolen identity and acting all high and mighty in the company. Aren't you disgusted?
Ang sarap. Maanghang-anghang.
You should know best. I'm the CEO of the company. If anyone's leaving, it's you. You're the CEO. Well then, just show me a contract for acquiring the company to prove you're the CEO. I'll leave immediately then. It's just a contract. I'll get it for you right away.
Sarap talaga mga ka-winners ang almusal ko. Tapos, meron pa akong lakatan cheesecake. Banana cheesecake. O, diba? Gumawa ako. Nag-shake ako ng saging na lakatan. Tapos, nalagyan ko ng cheesecake. Kaya, banana cheesecake. Ang sarap.
I'm telling you. Don't even think about slandering Mr. Lin again. Open your eyes and see clearly. President Lin, from what I see, Lin,
Perfect sa almusal.
Get her out of here as soon as possible. If you have any sense
At para hindi lalaki ang tiyan ko kasi lumiit na siya.
offer you a position as company leader. Sure, I won't let you starve in hiding. Oh, President Lin, you're really kind-hearted. This woman is so shameless, and you still want to find her a job.
May bago akong anak din.
What?
Excuse me. Anghang.
What are you looking at?
Ramen with
Are you
squid
guilty?
balls.
This is fake, could it?
Thanks for watching mga ka-winners! Subscribe, like, and click the notification bell for updates of my new videos. God bless us all!